Today I'll show you how to create and manage Facebook ads directly from your phone using the Meta Ads Manager app. Perfect if you don't have a laptop handy. Step 1. Download Meta Ads Manager app. Go to App Store or Google Play. Search Meta Ads Manager and download it. Log in with your Facebook account that's connected to your business page. Step 2. Create your ad. Tap the plus Create Ad button. Choose your goal, more website visits, page likes, messages, or sales. Select your audience. You can target by location, age, gender, and interests. Pick placements Facebook, Instagram, Messenger. Set your budget and schedule, daily or lifetime budget, and how long the ad runs. Upload your creative. This could be an image, video, or carousel. Write a catchy headline and caption. Review, then top publish. Step 3. Manage and track ads. From the up dashboard, you can check performance, reach, clicks, conversions, pause, edit or duplicate campaigns, adjust budget anytime to scale what's working. Pro tips: use short videos for better engagement. Always test 2 to 3 variations of your ad. Keep captions clear with a call to action.